Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making a healthier alternative to rice. Here is how to make cauliflower rice. Now I'm just adding some simple lemon and coriander flavours, but you can add whatever herbs and spices you want to make this really tasty and low in calories. Now to start with, take one large washed cauliflower and carefully slice off the florets. Also take one garlic clove, slice the ends off and peel, then add to a mini food processor. Also add the cauliflower, then blitz until the ingredients are about the size of rice. And depending on the size of your cauliflower, you can do this in batches until all of the ingredients are prepared. Next, take a large non-stick pan and place over a medium heat on the stove. Heat up a small amount of olive oil, then pour in the chopped cauliflower and garlic. Now squeeze in the juice from half a lemon, then fry the cauliflower for 5 minutes. And when your cauliflower rice is piping hot, add a handful of freshly washed coriander and stir it in. And remember, you can use all kinds of herbs and spices to make your cauliflower rice taste just how you like. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make this delicious and lower calorie alternative to rice in a matter of minutes.